Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my June 2020 bullet journal spread, and I'll link down below all of my supplies like this notebook and the pens and stuff. If you want to see more videos, subscribe down below and let's get on to the video. I went ahead and sketched out my design, and now I'm going to go and color my watermelons in with my markers. Next, I'm taking my Micron black pen and tracing all of my watermelons. I'm just going over and erasing the pencil marks. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and color my watermelon in alternating colors. I'm using color 743 and 803 from Tombow. Then I'm filling my watermelon rinds in with color 173. Then I'm taking my black Micron pen and tracing the box, and then taking my Tombow Fudensky to write the word June. After that, we need to make the seeds, so I'm taking my black Tombow brush pen to make the seeds on the watermelon. And here is our finished June cover page. Going to the monthlies page, I'm just going ahead and sketching out my calendar. As you can see, I kind of gave up on sketching it out and just resorted to using my Micron pen because it's faster. Now I'm just drawing the lines for each week, and then I'm going to go in with my black pen and label the numbers, as well as my Tombow brush pen, and then I'm just going to write Sunday through Friday at the top, and then finishing off with the word June. Next, I went ahead and just sketched my watermelons. And then at the bottom, we're going to have my important date section. So I'm just going to be sketching that out. Again, tracing it with my black Micron. Then I went and drew some more watermelons with my pencil. Now I'm just outlining my watermelons with my black Micron pen. And after that, I'm going to be doing the same process to fill in my watermelons. Instead of alternating colors, I just used the one solid color. The next page I'm going to be doing is my mood tracker. So I'm just going to go ahead and sketch out some watermelons, so 31 watermelons for 31 days. Just counting to double check. Now I'm going and numbering them, and then I'm going to go trace them with my black Micron pen. After that, I'm just going to color in the rind, and then I'm making my key at the bottom, so super happy face to meh, and then to sad face. And that's all for the mood tracker. And then I forgot to add the black seeds. And then I went ahead and wrote the habits I want to track, so wake up by 8:30, shower, 3 bottles of water a day, 30 minutes of exercise, and sleep by 10:30 at the latest. After that, I started numbering the rows, and I ran out of space, so I went ahead and also did some on the very right side. And then I just go ahead and trace it in my color. So basically how it works is that on each day there are 5 rows across, and so you just mark an X if you completed that habit. For the weeklies page, I'm just going to have a simple minimalistic design, so I went ahead and numbered the days and wrote the days of the week and drew the lines, and I'm going to do that 5 times for 5 weeks. My last page of the month is the motivational quote page, so I'm just sketching it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my marker. And so the phrase is, don't let the seeds stop you from enjoying the watermelon. And that's the last page of my monthly bullet journal, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw a watermelon. And then I'm tracing the outside, and that's all. So here is a flip through of my June bullet journal. So we have the cover page, we have the monthly page, and the mood tracker and habit tracker. And then we have 5 weeks. And then we have our motivational quote page. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if I should do more bullet journal videos. And subscribe to get more content from me each week. And that's all. I'll see you guys next week.